Hello, fellow explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we take you on exciting journeys to discover hidden gems and fascinating stories from around the world. Today, we're in the beautiful coastal town of Southport, England, to explore the UK's second longest pier and delve into its intriguing past. So, grab your walking shoes and let's set off on this adventure together. Southport Pier, stretching over 1,000 meters into the Irish Sea, was first opened in 1860. It was designed by James Brunlees, a renowned civil engineer, and has since become a beloved landmark for both locals and tourists alike. Over the years, the pier has undergone several renovations, but its Victorian charm remains intact. Let's take a closer look at some of the key moments in its history. In its early days, Southport Pier was a bustling hub for steamers and ferries, connecting the town to other coastal destinations. The pier also featured a tramway, which transported passengers and goods from one end to the other. However, as the popularity of cars and buses grew, the pier's role as a transportation hub diminished, and it eventually became a leisure destination. One of the most iconic features of Southport Pier is its pavilion, which has housed various amusements and attractions over the years. From a theater and ballroom to an amusement arcade, the pavilion has always been a popular spot for entertainment. Today, it's home to a vintage penny arcade, where you can try your luck at classic games and enjoy a nostalgic trip down memory lane. Southport Pier has faced its fair share of challenges, including fires, storms, and even threats of demolition. But thanks to the dedication of the local community and various restoration projects, the pier has managed to survive and thrive. In 2002, a major refurbishment project was completed, which included the installation of new decking, railings, and lighting, ensuring the pier's future for generations to come. Well, explorers, that brings us to the end of our journey along Southport Pier. We've discovered its rich history, marveled at its Victorian architecture, and enjoyed the nostalgic charm of its amusements. It's clear that this iconic landmark holds a special place in the hearts of locals and visitors alike, and we're grateful to have had the opportunity to share its story with you. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations. We'd also love to hear your thoughts and experiences about Southport Pier in the comments below. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.